Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, we'll show you how to stop Brave from reopening your last session tabs every time you launch the browser. Let's get started. First, you want to open Brave and go to the top right corner. You want to click on this three lines menu and then select settings. Inside the settings page, look for the on startup, which is this one. Here you'll see a few options, and by default, Brave may be set to reopen your last session. It says continue where you left off. And now to stop that, you simply select open the new tab page, which is this one. And that's it, super simple. Now to confirm it worked, you want to close Brave and reopen the browser. You'll see it opens with a fresh new tab instead of loading your previous session. And that's how you fix the problem. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.